Hello everyone, Simon here from creativetrading.com. I'm making this small video as a weekly recap on trades taken last week. So let's get it started. This is the first one, pound yen from 7-minute chart. Sell order is right there. SL move to break even plus, and it is for 90 pip to the downside on the 8th, Sunday, when the market opened up. On the 9th, Monday, a lot of trades on Monday. USD yen. Yen was getting strong, so all yen pair went down. This is 7-minute entry is right there, and 130 pip to the downside. USD yen. Now here again, this is USD yen from 7-minute chart. This is the second entry on last second, but that's Umar opened the trade here. That's his trade. And then I think on a 20-minute, yes, this is USDN 20-minute chart entry. It's right from there to the downside here. 80 pip sell order is right there. On the night now, pound USD, as yen was getting strong, USD was getting weaker. So USD, pound USD, Euro USD, they went up, and this is 85 pip to the upside. Buy orders right there, right? All the entries you can see, it is exactly by the system taken by the expert advisor. CTS7, my robot. Now here on the 9th, pound USD from 20-minute chart, this is the entry from here to here, 85 pip. On the 9th USD CAD, like I said, that USD getting weaker, then this is what happened. Four pairs USD and Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and Aussie USD, they will go up, and USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc will go down. So that's why USD CAD, you can see here, short entry went down because of the weakness in USD. Sell order is right there for 115 pip. And this is Pound Yen from 20-minute chart. Yen is still getting strong. On the 10th, the next day, after wobbling a little bit, and then start to go down again for 150 pip, right? These pairs, they have a daily range like this range indicator. Say this is the daily range, average 60-day range is 122, but I did it like 191, and then so every day they move almost the same amount, or if the news is very strong, then they move even more. So that's exactly what happened. You need to do a rinse, repeat every day. So every day you can pick up from any pair. Every day you can pick, if it is moving, up to the 100 pip trade is pair like that. Right. If the pair is like Euro USD, you can't even pick up 50 pip because the daily range is very small, 55 pip, 60 pip, something like that. But these, they move a lot. That's a 200 pip a day. So taking 150 pip trade out of that, not a problem. Pound yen again, this is a 7-minute entry, 110 pip from here to there, from 7-minute chart on the 10th. Now this one is again USD yen. You see on the 10th again, I saw on the 9th several trades, and then it's continue going to the downside. And I'll show you why and my setup analysis, setup charts later on. USD yen from 7-minute entry. See, you get two entries, 7-minute and 20-minute. All my 40-minute chart, let's see, let me show you. See, this is what it is, right? So when it says a USD yen 40-minute chart, after having a reversal candle, first entry from 7, second entry from 20. So that's why you see that, I have a 7-minute entry and then 20-minute entry. So this is what it is. And the Euro yen, no 7-minute entry, but I got that 20-minute beautiful by the book entry for 130 pip to the downside. And this one, pound Aussie, 7-minute chart entry, 90 pip on the 10th. And then on the 10th, Euro Aussie also went down because Aussie was getting strong. Aussie has been strong forever, right? So it's keep getting strong and strong and strong every single day. Pound Aussie again from 7-minute, 20-minute chart, 125 pips. Sell orders right there. And then USD yen again going down. See that how many trades from there, and then this is the one, and then this is the one again. This is only, this from here to here is 95 pip. From here to here was 175 pip trade. I showed you already. Now Euro yen from 7-minute chart, beautiful coming down here. This was a 20-minute entry, and now 7 and 7. So this one 130 pip to the downside. And this one you can see here, CAD yen. Like I said, yen was getting strong, so all yen pair went down big time. And it is about to go up, by the way. All JPY are gonna go up big time. So be ready. So this one is on the 10th, 145 pip to the downside, CAD yen, and then pound yen again, 7 minute, beautiful entry, 70 pip here. And Euro Aussie also went down here from 7 minute chart. Sell orders right there, 65 pip on the 11th. And then here, Euro Aussie 20 minute chart. This was the trade, this was the trade, and this was the trade also. But I still have this one all the way here alive. If I close here, then I can take this one easily again to the downside. But 115 pip from here to here. Okay, and again, you can see that see this arrow here? This was a trade, then this was a trade, then this was the trade for 110 pip now, 20 minute chart, right? So this is the system. You can see that how beautiful you get entry every single day, couple of entries every single day. Euro yen 20 minute chart, beautiful entry here, and this went up, but my SL got saved, and then it went down again. And that is 105 pip right there. And then CAD yen, right? Beautiful entry here, and then it produced 70 pip. And then here, Euro Aussie, 75 pip to the upside. And here, pound Aussie. This is a long from 20 minute chart going to the upside. Buy orders right there for 100 pip. And Euro Aussie 20 minute chart on the 12th. This is going to the upside. And in the last video I showed, when I was making last video, at that time I took these entries, Euro Aussie and Pound Aussie. You can watch the video. I said it that I just took the entry because it was going to the upside then, and then I recorded later on these charts. And that's about it. What's up? What happened here? Hello, everyone. Okay, these are the trades taken last. I did something, I don't know. Forget it. I think that some kind of video started. All right, so these are almost like 27 trades this week. On the 12th, you can see that this is the last one, and on the 13th, there is no trade whatsoever. I mean, there were probably, but I was busy kind of, and also they were very, very bad ranging day. Now, somebody was asking about that, if I don't have any losses. No, trust me, I have maybe almost equal amount of losses. Means my SL hit, right? Most of the time it hits at break even. But let's say if I have 27 trades, right? But I also have 20 SL hit 20 times, right? So these 27 times, it went up, went my way, and then you can see that average is like 150 pip trade, 100 pip trade, 90 pip trade, 75 pip trade, right? So these are the amounts when it's 100 pip here, right? But when I am wrong, my SL hit, and let me show you that how it hit. For example, this is index. Let me open something, for example, GJ, right? I'm going to open a GJ chart, pound yen, and I'll show you that how my CTS, that robot is also made. See, this is a 20-minute chart. For example, if this is the entry, let's say, right? So this entry requires, like I said, that, 7 minutes entry, and so entry rules. Let me see. Oops. Where, for example, this is the entry, let's say. So see this after, what the heck is that? Oh, so after this reversal candle and one more blue candle when it is finished, that's where my alarm CTS robot open the trade, right? So it's going to be right here, right? And my SL is always right below this low here. If it is a short, then it's right above and the short and the high of the last high plus the spread, right? For example, let's say not a good short. Let's say, for example, this is a short, right? So after I open a trade here, and then I'm gonna place SL here, high plus maybe 4 or 5 pip for spread. That's it, right? So let's count. So right here, I open the trade, and then the SL is above this, a little bit above this. So see, that's how many pips? 20 pips. You can see it's well, not 20 pip, that's a 25, 26 pip. So basically it's around like 25 normally, right? To be exact, when it is. So it is always 25 pip hard SL. See this one right here, right? So it opens from here, and then you see this is 21 plus the spread. So that's 25 net maximum. So that would be a 25, and then the price never look back here, right? So even if I have 10 to 15 SL hit, then let's say they are all hit for full 25 pip each. So even 10, so 25 pip means that 250 pip losses, right? But it count my winners. How many pip? More than 1,000, couple of thousand, right? That's the math. Then you can do it, right? So yeah, I have SL hit. A lot of SL hit means like if I have 27 trades, then maybe I have like 12 to 15 SL hit. But like I said, that half of them are at break even, no loss. But the other half, you can say 25 pip. Yeah, so 10. Like I said, it's like 250 pip losses, right? So if 250 pip losses, but then trades like this, oh man. Okay, see 70 pip, 105 pip, 110 pip. So my average is how much? 27 trades, average is more than 100. You see this 145 pip, 130 pip, 175 pip. So that's 2,700 pips made versus 3,400 pip losses. That's how the math is. All right. So this is what the system is all about. So yeah, like I said, that the amount of pippage I show here, that this is what it is made, and this is what you can make, even half of it, even quarter of it. But what is the losses? When you have some losses, yes, but they are very insignificant. So I don't even show them. I don't know what that. It's waste of time. That's how it is. Let me show you quickly, by the way, what are the causes of these, taking these trades in these directions. For example, this is my 40-minute setup chart, right? So this is USD index chart. So I said it's going to drop from here to here, and obviously all 7 pair will react to it, right? And what happened? It dropped big time here. So Euro Aussie, Pound Aussie, Aussie, sorry, yeah, not Aussie. Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, and USD, right? When index is dropping, they will go up. And USD CAD, USD Yen, USD Franc, they will go down. So simple as that. I take the entry in those directions. Pound Aussie, I made the chart that it's going to go up there on the 11. And look what happened. It went up, and I took my longs, right? So this one, Euro Aussie, is supposed to go up, and it went up. Yes, right? So this is, I already, ahead of time, I make these charts early before the day open, and then I wait for my proper entry in the directions. And it's written here that first entry is 7 minute, 20 second entry from 20-minute chart. What happened to this chart? This is what happened, right? This one, you can see pound yen supposed to come down here. Where? Boom, boom, here. This one, right? I tried this one short, and this one big trade. This one here, see that USD yen and straight down, right? So this was the entry, this was the entry, this was the entry. See that? So this is USD CAD and went down. This one, pound USD is supposed to go up for wave B, and it did, right? And this one is Euro Aussie coming down from there to there, and boom, boom, exactly, right? So to me, it's like making these charts that turning points, finding these turning points very easy. Once you learn, it's very easy. But and after that, get the entry from my entry system. Simple as that. From what first entry from 7, which comes like maybe 3 to 5 red candles here. And then the 20-minute entry will come down the road here somewhere like 7 to 10 red candles. And then you can take both trades to the downside. No problem. Right? So many Bitcoin, look at that. Wave 3, I said wave 4, these two white lines. and look what happened. Boom, boom, came down straight, right? This is pound yen on the 3rd, and look what happened. In a couple of days, it came down here for maybe a couple of hundred pips, more than that. This one, USD yen, went up there. This one, the same thing. This is pound USD need to come down. It came down. Euro USD need to come down, and it came down. Right. This is, look at that, USD yen. Beautiful setup here. X, harmonic pattern X A B C D, and it came down not only D, but it went down big time all the way, right? Because of the big news, and then yen started to get very strong. This is supposed to be going up from here, and then yes, it did. So after making these charts and know that where the price is going to go, taking the entry and then ride the rest of the day, not a problem. Right. So if you want to learn all of that, just go on my website here somewhere there. Where the heck my website was? It is my website, right? So yeah, I don't know. This is my website. Oh yeah, right. So come on a website here, and then you can, join the group. Yeah, I have different options here, right? So serve my web and my website, and then take the option that you need, and then take it from there. All right. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And take care of your health and wealth, and especially your family. Thanks, and bye.